Oh, I got the wrong one. I just got the one with the tteokbokki. I didn't get the ramen. What's going on, everybody? It is Sunday morning, 9 o'clock in the morning to be exact in Korea. How's everybody been? I've been good. I know it's been a while since y'all seen me. Did y'all miss me? Nah, y'all lying. Don't be lying. A couple days before Christmas, a week before 2025. This year has gone by so fast. Today, I'm gonna go eat one of my favorite snacks in Korea. Favorite dishes, you could say. It's called tteokbokki. Tteokbokki is ramen with tteokbokki together. It is amazing. And on top of that, I'm gonna get me some tuna kimbap with that to go. Hopefully the place is open because it is almost 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm not sure if they open at 9 or 10. I hope so, because I'm about to walk all the way down here and it is cold. It is cold. It was snowing last week. A couple weeks ago, it was snowing really, really bad. We had to leave work and shut down. I don't know if you can see this building right here. Like, the school is done, everything is done over here, but this particular building right here, they just built this up and I think it's open now, but this is for newlywed couples only. That's right, in Korea, they have apartments where you can just move in newlyweds. I've been spending a lot of time with that special someone. It's been really great. I got a promotion at my job. I just extended for 3 more years for my job. So like, I'm really happy. I'm really happy. I'm blessed. I'm doing good. Oh, hold up. Let me show you this right here. I don't know if you can see that sun is bright, but this spot right here, they be hitting. This is one of my favorite chicken spots. This place is really good. Okay, we are almost here. What's everybody got planned for Christmas and New Year's? Any big plans? I think for New Year's, I'm gonna stay at the crib. I'm having my special someone come over. I'm gonna cook up for her. You know, we get some champagne and some wine. Christmas, we're gonna go to a nice fancy restaurant, exchange gifts, you know. Great Christmas, great Christmas. Ooh, it's so cold out here. So this right here, this is a curry spot. I don't know, sometimes they're open, sometimes they're not. It's weird. And let's see, we got our Baskin Robbins. Oh, here it is right here. So this is the menu. This is everything on the menu. I mean, not everything, but yeah. We're gonna go have this one right here. What time do they open? They open at 7 o'clock. Okay. As you can see, this is inside. This is the menu right here. Got your chamshi kimbap, donggasa. Look at that. It's pretty nice inside. Hello. This is the menu. All right, so here on the first menu, we got our kimbap. This is the one I always get. I'm gonna get the chamshi kimbap. This is the tuna kimbap. And we get one of those. Okay, let's go to the next menu. Here we go. This is what I came here for right here. We're gonna get the tteokbokki, this one right here. And it says, do you want it to go or do you want it for here? We're gonna stay here and eat.
카드 투입구에
Alright, so usually have this before when I'm waiting on the meal. This is pretty good. It's hot, delicious. Alright, so it is finished. Look at that, delicious. You got your tteokbokki in there. Got you some eggs and you got some ramen. Then you got the tuna kimbap, chamshi kimbap. Like to mix it up. Oh, I got the wrong one. I just got the one with the tteokbokki. I didn't get the ramen. It's supposed to have ramen in it, but I didn't get that one. Oh well. All right, so just to let y'all know, I messed up. I was supposed to get the tteokbokki, but I didn't. I got the wrong one because I was not paying attention to what I was ordering, but this one is still good. So you have this right here, your tteokbokki, got some eggs in here, got some vegetables in here, some cabbage, and we're still gonna eat it. And we're gonna take a piece of this. Delicious, delicious. Just to let you know, if it's your first time having this, it's a little bit spicy. I usually eat this after I've been drinking a lot the night before. I used to eat the John I call it like the hangover soup, John. But this does the work right here. This you'll feel it when you start eating it. Gotta have that protein. Let me show y'all where I messed up. So I was supposed to come here and then I ordered this one right here. Tteokbokki. I was supposed to order the tteokbokki. We'll get it right next time. All right, so we walking back to the crib. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed because I really want to show y'all the ramen with the tteokbokki, but we'll get it right next time. It's not really that big deal. That was my breakfast. Usually for breakfast, I have 6 eggs and some oatmeal, or I have like 2 eggs. I crack it open, put some banana in there, oatmeal, and some blueberries, mix it up, and then put it in the microwave, and boom, it's good. You know, I'm on my gym thing, so you got to keep it right. But that was the video. Hope everybody has a great Christmas and New Year's. I will see y'all after the holidays. I have another special video that I want to show y'all. I'm out.